celebrating the 30th anniversary of Sergio Lozano's Air Max 95 with a steady stream of new designs. Gradient styles like the Solar Red remain collector favorites, yet Nike's Holiday 2025 lineup expands the sneaker's legacy through creative twists. A standout addition is the black and teal pair, which blends heritage and fresh detailing. Black dominates the tongue, lining, and midsole, offering a winter-ready base, while teal leather overlays and accents inject bold energy. Metallic silver along the spine recalls classic makeups, and ripstop fabric adds durability and edge. Teal highlights appear on the Swoosh logos, tongue, and big bubble air units, tying the look back to OG DNA. Released at $190 in men's sizing, this drop joins packs like the Yardrunners HBCU and Racing Editions, proving Nike's strategy of honoring tradition while delivering modern appeal is still thriving.